Hey guys, I'm Token. Bonjour, of course. Actually, I just got super exciting today because launching a product in Louvre, for me, just like the dream come true. And today, we will share with you our most powerful member in our product line, the NGT. Actually, yeah, as you can see, the NGT looks similar to the N. Yes, in 2015, we launched our first product line, the N series smart scooter. It's the most iconic scooter design in the history. But as a technology company, we always push ourselves further. In past 3 years, our R&D team is working very hard. And today, we're introducing a scooter that riding faster, riding further, and riding smarter. It's such strong and powerful machine wrapped in the skin of N. We started with the analysis about more than 1 billion kilometer data. We designed the all-new FOC controller in 3 kilowatt. Also, we're working very closely with our partner, Bosch, for this new 3 kilowatt motor. This motor has more than 5.5 kilowatt max output. Also with incredible torque. Trust me, you will enjoy the ride. This powerful system is not just powerful scooter, it's also super smooth. With this new power system, you can easily go into 70 kilometers per hour. It's much more enough when you're serving in the city, even in the city highways. They give you more experience than any 125cc petrol scooter. Yeah, the high performance always require a big battery. But if you make battery too big, too heavy, you can't take back home to charge. Here's our solution. A removable dual battery system. This smart dual battery system looks, it's pretty simple, but it's not simple as 1 + 1. They have double capacity in 70 Ah. Also has the double performance. The max output in this power system is up to 80 amps. The smart dual battery system is not just managing this two battery working smoothly together. It also allows you to use this one battery if you need. The all-new design battery pack with our latest version 3 BMS. It has flash charger. You can fully charge your battery in just 3.5 hours. With this dual battery system, the NGT can go much further. It gives you a single charge, more than 100 kilometers in the high speed in the city driving. If you're in the lower speed at the 45 kilometers per hour, you can hit another number is 116 kilometers. The NGT has our newest version 3 cloud ECU. It's essentially a brain of our scooter. Hardware-wise, we have ARM-based core chips, where the GPS, GNSS, and Campus. This is 3 locating technology together. For the data connection, Yeah, we have GPRS. But now, we upgrade to 4G module. It gives you a faster and much more stable data connection globally. With this powerful hardware, the ECU can collect many dimensions of your real reading data, conduct a real-time analysis, and signal scooter for the proper function. The most importantly, we have the OTA, over-the-air function. It will helping you to keep your scooter always in the latest software. The NGT equipped with all new design, the color LCD dashboard. It's not about just twice the size. All the information just more clear just in front of you. The lighting sensor will adjust the backlight automatically for you. For the color steering, as you know, it's all based on your scooter status. For example, if you reach the highest speed, the speed area will tend right. As you know, the faster speeds require a safer brake system. This time, we bring the double disc brake with the CBS. The CBS system will automatically separate the brake force in both front and rear. It's allowing you to have faster and safer braking. As you know, our design philosophy is always user-centric. We try to bring many different technologies from car industry, consumer electronic industry. The automatic headlight, the smart indicator, and the cruise control. Also my favorite parts, the smart analyze. It's a lot more features in the NGT. Let's take a look at a video to tell you more.
For 2 years, we've been designing an electric scooter that's purpose-built for the city. Convenient, efficient, and eco-friendly, while increasing its top speed and autonomy. Today, we present to you the all-new NGT. A smart e-scooter perfect for cruising wide-open boulevards and zipping through winding alleys. The NGT offers 3 types of riding modes: sport, dynamic, and energy saving. The NGT is equipped with the latest Bosch motor that packs 3,000 watts of nominal power with 89% efficiency and accelerates more like a 125cc motorcycle. And while in sport mode, the NGT is able to reach a top speed of 70 kilometers per hour. With our proprietary FOC vector controllers and precision drive motors, the NGT has incredibly smooth linear acceleration. Its CBS braking system allows the braking force to be evenly distributed between the front and rear wheels, helping to ensure safe braking at high speeds. Despite being powerful, the NGT is easy to maneuver. It takes advantage of a finely tuned front and rear dual hydraulic shock absorber system for better handling and rough road conditions. The core of the NGT are the 2 removable batteries working in parallel that are lightweight, high-performance, smart lithium-ion packs powered by PANASONIC 18650 lithium battery cells. The all-new design supports a quick charge in just 3.5 hours. The all-new BMS allows the efficient and balanced charging and discharging of each cell, with 14 safety measures on features such as current, voltage, and temperature to extend the battery life. The NGT is also equipped with EBS, which effectively recycles the energy generated during braking. The NGT has an incredible autonomy and supports cruise control to meet all your needs in the city. The NGT is equipped with a smart dashboard that changes colors as you accelerate, while also providing your scooter's health score, making it easier to know about your vehicle with a quick glance while riding. The NGT is also equipped with our new Cloud ECU smart controller, which serves as the brain of the scooter that connects 32 onboard sensors, collecting over 200 data points every 60 seconds. With the new app, riders can check the status of their battery and the general health of their scooter, while at the same time, GPS location, security and surface systems have been upgraded to bring you a smarter travel experience. The all-new smart LED headlights increase visibility and illumination while reducing energy consumption by 15%. Light-sensing headlights and auto-off indicators give you a peace of mind while riding. The NGT lighting encircles you with light for a safe riding experience at night. Additionally, the NGT also has user-friendly functions such as one-click vehicle search and a USB charger. This is the NGT, purpose-built for high-performance urban transportation. An e-scooter that lets you ride farther and faster. New. Unlock your city.
Thank you. This is all new NGT. We built it because a lot of people in this room asked for it. Actually, I just can't wait to drive the NGT in the street to see the beautiful city of Paris. But now, let me introduce our partner, Carl Liu, one of the world's leading industrial design master and our design VP, to introduce the next incredible product. And first, let's have a video.